In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Klaviyo in Shopify. First, open your Shopify admin. From the main dashboard, head to the Apps section. Here, choose the option to add apps. This takes you into the flow for discovering new tools that plug right into your store. When the prompt appears, select Shopify App Store to open the marketplace. In the App Store, use the search bar and type Klaviyo. From the results, click the listing called Klaviyo, Email Marketing and SMS. This is the official integration that handles email, SMS, and customer event tracking for Shopify. On the app page, click Install. You'll see a permissions screen that explains what data the app needs to function, such as syncing customers and orders. Review those details carefully so you know exactly what's being shared. When you're ready, confirm by clicking Install again. Make sure you're logged in with a staff account that has permission to install apps. If you don't, you'll need the store owner to approve this part. After installation begins, you'll be redirected to Klaviyo to set up your new account and connect it to Shopify. Fill out the registration form with your business details. Provide your name, company information, and your store's website, then select your country and preferred currency. Add your work email and create your account credentials. Keep everything accurate here. These choices influence default settings like time zone, currency display, and compliance features for email and SMS. Next, continue through the on-screen prompts. You may see questions about your business size, your goals, or the kinds of messages you plan to send. Answer honestly to get recommended defaults that fit your needs. If you're shown any terms or data sharing confirmations, review and agree to proceed. When asked to connect to Shopify, confirm the connection so Klaviyo can securely sync products, customers, and events like started checkout and placed order. When you reach the final screen, click Get Started. That completes the core setup. Behind the scenes, Klaviyo will begin importing your data. Give it a little time. Initial syncs can take several minutes. A quick way to confirm things are working is to open Klaviyo later and check that your Shopify integration shows as connected and that metrics are starting to appear. If you plan to use sign-up forms or SMS, double-check compliance settings before going live and consider sending yourself a test email to make sure branding and links look right. And that's it. You've installed the Klaviyo app from the Shopify App Store, approved permissions, created your Klaviyo account, connected your store, and clicked Get Started to finish the